Hello everyone, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. This one, I'm going to show you how to place a logo. In particular, we're going to put this Gucci onto a bag like I've done here. Here's the original shot. I'll go here, and then here's what we ended up with. Let's start from scratch. I've got another bag over here, and we're going to work on it. So the first step here is you drag and drop in your bag. The next step is we're going to go ahead and grab the logo. I'm going to drag and drop let's do Prada. Let's put Prada on this one. Drag and drop it in, and presto, I'm going to make it a little bigger, and I'm going to move it up here. Okay, hit enter and place it. Obviously, it's not in the right spot. Not to worry. The next step is you want to grab your rectangular marquee tool like I've got here and just draw a selection around the logo. Now go to edit, and we're going to go to copy merge. There it is right there, or Command-Shift-C. And presto, we're on our way. The next step, we're going to create a new layer on the top. And then we're just going to go ahead and turn the middle layer off. And we're also going to go to select, deselect. So we're working only on the top layer. Once you've done that, we're now going to go to our filters and we're going to find the Vanishing Point filter. Click on that. And now we're going to draw a perspective. We're going to go ahead and correct for perspective. I'm going to draw 4 points around the edges of the front of the bag, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. That's what we want. Now we want to go to Command or Control V to paste that image of the logo. When we do that, we get it and it's up here. That's not where we want it. Move it down and then watch what happens. It corrects for perspective. Obviously, it's a bit too big, but not to worry. Click on OK, and boom, it's now on the front, but it doesn't quite look right because we want to get rid of all the white. Change the blending mode to darken, and presto, you've taken this generic bag and made it into a Prada bag. Thanks for watching.